Some homes don't just stand the test of time, they define it. This 1928 Colonial Revival home is one of those rare gems, completely restored, yet filled with the craftsmanship and character that make historic homes so special. Three bedrooms, two full bathrooms, two half bathrooms, nearly 2,400 square feet, and a one-car detached garage. All nestled on a prime corner lot in a walkable downtown district. But here's the question. Where is it? Think you can guess? Stick with me. By the end of this tour, you'll know exactly where this home is and why it's one of the most desirable properties on the market today. I'm Chris Hubble, a realtor specializing in historic homes. And this is a special one. If you love homes with a story, where every detail has been preserved, every upgrade has been thoughtfully designed, and every street in the neighborhood holds a piece of history, then you're gonna love this one. By the end of this video, I'll reveal where the home is located, and trust me, it's a place that you're going to want to see for yourself. And if you don't want to wait, call, text, or email me today to set up a private tour. And for financing, David Wexler at Union Home Mortgage is your guy. Whether it's your first home or your forever home, we'll walk you through the process step by step. All right, let's get started. Built in 1928, this home is a Colonial Revival masterpiece. A style known for symmetry, grand entryways, and classic dormer windows. It's designed to be timeless. In 2018, it underwent a full renovation, preserving its original charm while updating it for modern living. That starts right here, on the front porch, completely restored, offering the perfect spot to sip your morning coffee and chat with your neighbors. Sitting on a corner lot, the property includes a beautifully landscaped side yard, framed by shrubbery and fencing for privacy, a rare find in this location. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by original hardwood floors, stained wood trim, and gorgeous millwork that tells the story of a bygone era. Now, the heart of this home is the kitchen. This isn't just a renovation, it's a transformation. Custom cabinetry, Taj Mahal quartz countertops, high-end appliances, a chef's dream, with every detail designed for both function and style. The living room? Classic, cozy, and full of charm. A stunning fireplace, large windows that flood the space with natural light, and an open flow into the dining room, perfect for entertaining. Upstairs, you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms, each with its own unique charm. The primary suite is bright, airy, and offers a peaceful retreat, something you don't always get in historic homes. The ensuite bathroom, fully updated, featuring marble tile, a walk-in shower, and designer finishes. 2 additional bedrooms, and a beautifully updated guest bath complete the upstairs. And don't forget, this home also includes 2 half bathrooms for added convenience. Now, if you're trying to guess where this home is, let me drop a few clues. Just down the road, you'll find one of the oldest churches in the Midwest, dating back to 1839, a landmark that has stood as a pillar of this community for nearly 2 centuries. A few blocks away, a grand estate turned museum, where you can explore the lives of some of the city's earliest settlers. And if you've ever been to this city's historic downtown district, you might recognize this next landmark, the Birmingham Theater. This is 675 Chester Street in Birmingham, Michigan, a fully restored 1928 Colonial Revival home located just steps from some of the best shopping, dining, and parks in the state. And the price? $999,000. A rare opportunity to own a piece of history in one of the most sought-after communities in all of Michigan. If you're ready to see it in person, call, text, or email me today to schedule a private tour. And if you need help financing, David Wexler at Union Home Mortgage is here to help you every step of the way. Like this video? Hit that like button. Know someone who would love this home? Share it with them. Want to see more historic homes? Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss my next tour. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, every home has a story. Let's discover yours.